to Margo from WetheadPumpRepair.com. Alright, today we're here with this Ultimax Spa Pump and we're going to show you how to fully rebuild it in a series of videos. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is hit the subscribe button on the top of our videos and subscribe to our channel. That way you can make sure when we update all these videos, you can be emailed with what videos we're doing. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to remove this wet end on the pump. Alright, so to remove the wet end, you want to get yourself a handy dandy socket set, just like this. We have this this cheap one. We don't know where we got it from, but you know what? It's going to work. And we also you could use a wrench, an open end wrench if you want. Something like this is called an open end wrench if you have one of those, but the socket is definitely faster. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to remove all four of these bolts here, okay, with your socket. Now, me and Robert have already pre-loosened these because we didn't want to take up all your time making you watch us, take out bolts forever on the videos. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove all four of these bolts, okay? So, oops, I dropped one there. So you do remove that one right there, and now let me show you the front of the pump. Okay, there you go. That's the front of the pump right there. So Robert will zoom in on this, and he'll show you how we're taking these bolts out. All right, Robert, come on in, man, zoom in. That's not how we talked about, man. He wants to zoom in and stand up. But Robert, he's the camera guy, man. We had him fix some pumps, and then he broke a whole bunch of pumps, and now we got him on the camera. So zoom in here, Robert. Make sure you get a nice close-up. All right. So Robert's going to zoom in there. See, this is the wet end, okay, of the Vico, V-I-C-O, Ultimax Spa Pump, okay? So if you have a Vico Ultimax Spa Pump and it's making a bunch of noise, or it's leaking, okay, we're going to show you. Now, we're going to pop this wet end off. I'm going to take a screwdriver just like this, okay? And bam, it's off. Now I'm going to remove this piece of wire here. Okay, I got one more bolt that I forgot in the back here. Now, you'll probably do that at home, so you're bound to remember. I forgot this bolt right here, but hey, whatever, we'll keep the video rolling. So, let's see. I gotta get it down here. Alright, now once you take off this last bolt, don't forget to bolt like me, okay? You'll be able to pull the front cover right off, right? You see that? There you go. We have now pulled off the wet end cover of the Vico Ultimax Spa Pump. Now what you see is you see the impeller there. Okay, now behind this impeller, there is a seal. Okay, so if you're looking for parts, you want to head over to WetheadPumpRepair.com. You want to click on the link that says Spa Pump Repair Kits, and we actually sell a whole repair kit that will come with the two bearings and the seal for this pump. Now, we're going to mention that several times in these videos. We want you to understand that we are a business and we are looking to sell you parts. So, because some people watch me like, oh, this guy keeps saying parts, because yeah, we're a business. So, okay. We wanted you to buy the parts, and we give you quality parts as well. So, okay? So basically, now that you have your front cover off, just like that, okay, it's going to be time to remove the impeller. Now, on the back of the motor is a little cap, like this. Okay? Now I'm going to spin this pump back around. Now, just move my ground wire out of the way here. Now, right, this cap goes right in the back here. Now, we've already removed it, but to remove that, what you want to do is just pop it off with a screwdriver. Okay? And then in the back is a little slot where you can put a screwdriver. Okay? Just like this. Alright, now I'll take the screwdriver out, Robert will zoom in there and show them what that looks like. Alright, so you can see the back of this Century A.O. Smith motor, okay, that there is a slot in the back of the pump armature shaft. Okay, so this is the Century motor, A.O. Smith. Alright, now, what you want to do is you want to take your screwdriver and you want to stick it in the back of the shaft in the slot. Let me just look there real quick where the slot is. Okay, once you have it in there, what you want to do is take your hand and you want to loosen the impeller. Now I've already pre-loosened my impeller, so yours will be a little bit harder to get off. You could use a strap wrench, something like this, to remove the impeller if it's really stiff. But most of the time, you just give it a good, nice, firm jab there and it comes right off. Now, once you remove the impeller, just like this, okay, there'll be a mechanical seal. Alright, so what you want to do now is hit the subscribe button, and in the next video, we're going to show you how to remove this impeller, what seals behind it, okay, how to remove the seal housing, and then once we tell you how to remove that seal housing, we're going to show you how to remove the armature and change the bearings. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, go to WetheadPumpRepair.com to get the parts, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace!